Alright. Okay, you're choking me. So every year we do a pumpkin video with us and our pumpkins. This year, TC's here. You weren't even here last year for the pumpkin video. Anyhow, Jade and I are going to carve out some pumpkins. We're going to do one for brother, and we're going to do one for Jade. To make some really cool faces on them. Yes.
Smiley faces.
I will make a huge smiley face. And then, what do you think we should make on brothers?
Maybe we can make a big happy face.
We'll make a big happy face. Then you want to make a big sad face?
I want to make a little sad face for DC.
A little sad face for DC. And for you, we want a big happy face? Rah!
A big
Rah!
happy face.
Alright, there you go. A big happy face and a little sad face. Alright guys, check back.